Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new questions that is a write a Java program to remove duplicates element in an array. This question is very important in interviews. That question is asking in the every interviews. So you should remember the process of solving these problems. So, so let's start our implementation of this code question. So first of all, here we have to create our own array that is a int type of array, symbol of array, then name of the array like the string ar is equal to some values stored in the curly braces. So I just take 5, 4, 5, 9, 4, 9, 1, 5, 7 is taken by me. You can take whatever you want. So make sure it's a 5. Yeah, these are the values which I have taken in the array. And the question is saying that write a Java program to remove duplicates element. So as you can see here, the 5 is a duplicates element. What is a duplicates element? Because it repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 3 times. One is single time, that means it is not a duplicates element, it will be there. So to solving this problem, we have to first sort our array so that can easily to solve the neighbor element means take by the 5 to 4, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, then 5 to 9. We just compare in easily by using the sorting. So let's sort by the arrays method. So let's take arr. So as you can see here, you can see arrays in the present in java.util package. So this class have already built method that is a sort method. There are multiple methods present in this arrays class. Just type the dot. As you can see here, there are multiple method is here. We just need a sort array method. So we just type as o, and as you can see, we are getting the too many sort method here. Don't worry, don't be confused. It's just overloading. If you know the method overloading, just like that, it's sort of accepting the any kind of data because of the overloading method. We just need a integer type data. Just click on the sort int and inside of the sort method, just input your name of the array. So our array is sort now. Now I have to check that our array is sort or not. So for that, we have also one more method which is present in java.lang package. That is a two-string method. So arrays dot as sorry to str. That is also the method overloading method. Yeah, this method what actually do? Let me first write the code and run it. Then I will explain you what actually is this two-string method here. So let me run it. As you can see here, we're getting the 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 7, 9, 9. That means our array is now sorted. So I can easily to check by the neighbor element. Means we can compare with the 1 with 4, then 4 with 4, then 4 with 5, then 5 with 5, then 5 with 7, then 7 with 9, and then 9 with 9. So this way we can compare and check that element is duplicates or not. So basically the toString method is to instead of printing the address, it will be printing the values. The toString method is printing the values. So if you are using directly sysout, let's take sysout AR over here uh, and run it. You will get a address over here. you're not getting the values. If you want to print the values, you have to use the arrays.string method. So we can easily to get the arrays.sort. Then then the next step is we need two things. First, we have to need a temporary array that is an int type of array. So symbol of array and the name of array is temp is equal to new int, and the length of the array is same as our original array. Okay, so let's take here n, but we are not define the n thing now. We just implement create the one variables which is store the length of the array. N is equal to arr dot length. So length will be stored in the n. So this array is length is same as this array. Okay, same as this our original array. Then then after this we need one more variables int j is equal to 0. By using this, we have to just get the values inside of temporary variable. Okay, temporary variable. Let me, you will understand when we perform the tasks over here. Yeah. So let's comment here and write the traverse, traverse dot date array and remove duplicates here. Duplicates here. Okay. Then let's need a for loop over here. Int I is equal to 0, then I should less than of n and sorry, I less than of n minus 1. Why we are getting the n minus 1? Let me explain you. First, we have to complete this. And inside of this, you need a logic over here. That is a main thing. The ARR of I not equal to ARR of sorry, yeah, ARR of I plus 1. We're just comparing the neighbor element. So what we have to do, just temp of j plus plus means we will getting the values inside of temporary by using the int j variable is equal to arr of I. The values which is in arr of I we get inside of the temp of j plus plus by comparing the values if it's true or not. If the ARR of I is not equal to ARR of I plus 1, then what you have to do, the step of the plus plus is equal to ARR of I. That means the value is not duplicates and it will be stored in the new temp type of array. So, so So you might be getting here y and minus 1 because the condition is I plus 1. It will be checked next to the each other. If I used here n, we will getting the out of bound exceptions. That is why we need this n minus 1. And after this, just the same as the previous. So we just temp of j plus plus to store the last values. We just use j plus plus is equal to arr of n minus 1 over here. Minus 1 over here. And for your understanding, I'll just comment out here. Add add with last element. Then we have to print the our values. So we just need here this out, this out array after removing the values. Okay, removing duplicates. Okay, and then just need one for loop over here. Int of I is equal to 0 and I should less than of j. Why we use that I should less than of 0? Because the length of the same as your temporary array. And then this out this out ARR of I plus double quotes space over here. Make sure you show the statement. Let me run it and see what it will getting. Yeah, as you can see here, after array after removing the duplicates is 1, 4, 4, 5, 5. But we will getting the duplicates element instead of getting the removing the duplicates element. Let me check. Okay, why we are getting this? Because instead of printing the temp, we're just printing the ARR of I over here. So just take care of them. Yeah, now run it. Yeah, we will be getting the 1, 4, 5, 7, 9. We just remove the duplicates and we'll printing the uh, uh, values which is have one space in the our array. This is the way of you can solve these problems. I hope you will understand these videos and the process of these videos. That's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.